A single howl rises through the mist. It's not just a cry, it's a call. A signal. A reminder that even the strongest survive better, together. In the jungle of business, it's no different. The lone wolf chases survival. But the pack builds empires. This is the wolf pack rule. Why smart entrepreneurs never build alone. Every wolf pack has an order, a design, a purpose. The older wolves lead from the front, cutting through deep snow. The younger ones stay in the middle, protected. And the alpha? He doesn't walk in front to show power. He walks behind, to protect, to guide, to make sure no one is left behind. Every wolf knows its role. They move together. They trust each other. They succeed, or they fail, as one. They don't compete for who leads. They compete for how far the pack can go together. And that's the first law of survival in both nature and business. Those who unite, survive. Those who isolate, eventually disappear. In business, we often glorify the lone wolf. The self-made millionaire. The genius founder. The one who seems to rise from nothing. But that's only half the truth. Behind every powerful name, there's always a pack. A team that believed when no one else did. A few people who carried the vision when others doubted. Steve Jobs had Wozniak. Dangote built with teams across industries. Elon Musk didn't build rockets alone, he built packs of engineers who believed in his madness. The lone wolf may start the movement. But only the pack sustains the legacy. When wolves hunt, they don't all rush in. They plan. They study. They move in silence. One distracts. One blocks. One strikes. No confusion. No ego. Only trust. That's how business should work. Every successful entrepreneur builds a pack where each person plays a role. The strategist, the marketer, the creator, the operator. When your pack moves in one direction, you multiply your strength. You turn small ideas into unstoppable empires. Alone, you might go fast. But together, you go far. A single wolf cannot bring down a bison. But a pack can bring down a herd. That's the hidden law of wealth. Collaboration multiplies success. In business, your pack is your real capital. Your network is your net worth. The wolf doesn't chase small prey. It builds a team strong enough to go after something bigger. That's how you build wealth. Not by doing everything yourself, but by growing with people who share your vision. Wolves are loyal. They don't betray their pack for temporary gain. In the wild, betrayal means death. In business, it means failure. Your success depends not on how loud you howl, but on how much your pack trusts your direction. When your people believe in your dream, you become unstoppable. When your pack loses faith, even the strongest alpha falls. Leadership isn't about control. It's about protection, purpose, and loyalty. Every entrepreneur begins as a lone wolf, hungry, uncertain, chasing survival. But the moment you find your pack, the right people, the right mindset, the right mission, everything changes. You stop running from the cold and start owning the territory. You move quietly. You think clearly. You act powerfully. You become like the wolves. Strategic, loyal, fearless. And the jungle? It stops being your enemy. It becomes your kingdom. The world of business is wide. It rewards the united, and humbles the arrogant. Remember this. The strength of the wolf is in the pack. And the strength of the pack is in the wolf. Build your pack with loyalty. Lead with vision. Move with purpose. Because the lone wolf may walk faster, but the pack always arrives further. And in the end, the mountain belongs to those who climb together. So as you chase your dream, remember. Find your pack, build with loyalty, and lead with purpose. If this story spoke to you, if it reminded you that success isn't a solo mission, then make sure you subscribe. For more motivational stories, more lessons from the wild, and more inspiration to help you grow, in business, in mindset, and in life. Because here, we don't just tell stories. We build leaders.